Hello everyone, very good morning. In the last lecture, we have completed about the concept of S block, P block, D block and F block. Fine. We have discussed much more about S block, electronic configuration of S block, electronic configuration of P block, then D block and then F block. F block in the last session we have discussed like two series are there. The one is named as the lengthenoids and second one is known as the actinoids. Okay. So now we are moved towards the periodic table also, but there was some problem. There was problem like what? At that time the name of element. How to give the name of element? Like now you know the Rutherfordium element is there, like sodium element is there, like copper element is there. Okay, so how they gave the name of the element? Actually, what is going on at that time on the basis of the proof, like some element, the name of some element like copper that is given on the basis of Ct. Okay, like sodium that is given on the basis of some other conditions, like from where it is obtained, how it is obtained. So simple thing is what the name of element is given on the basis of sometimes on the basis of source also. Okay, so there was what is the problem over there actually at that time. The atomic number, the element, atomic number 104. There is a story behind that. Actually, what is going on? When the element 104, એટલે કે 104 number નો element જે find at that time, then the country having a problem related to that. The one is the America and second one is the Soviet Union. Okay, so there is a problem between that two, America and Soviet. What is the problem actually? They say like atomic number 104, it means the element number 104 that was discovered by us and we will give the name. એટલે એ લોકોનો પ્રોબ્લેમ શું હતો કે ભાઈ અમે લોકો નામ આપશું. ઓકે, they said like કે 104 છે એને અમે લોકો નામ આપશું. તો અમેરિકા gave the name like Rutherfordium and Soviet Union gave the name like Kirchhoffium. So two names are given were given for what? Atomic number element 104. So America gave name what? Rutherfordium and Soviet Union gave what? Kirchhoffium. So there is a problem. There is a problem between whom? America and Soviet Union about that 104. So that finally IUPAC, Indian Institute of you know that na Indian Institute. Fine, that will IUPAC will decide of that nomenclature and all the rules. Okay, Indian Institute of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, chalo. So they said what? They decide one thing. Now they decide what? They said like if you want to name the element, then first of all you have to prove that. It means if there is a proof about that element, then we will give the permanent name. Before that said like કે તમે permanent નામ આપો એ પહેલા એક temporary નામ આપી શકો. અને એ લોકો ડિસાઈડ કર્યું કે આફ્ટર ધ એટોમિક નંબર 100 પછીના જેટલા બી એલિમેન્ટ છે એની ડિસ્કવરી થશે. ઓકે, 100 પછીના જેટલા બી એલિમેન્ટ છે એની જો ડિસ્કવરી થશે then we will give the name on the basis of temporary. Means what? એને temporary નામ આપી દેશું and then after જ્યારે proof થઈ જશે ત્યારે આપણે એને શું આપશું? We will give a permanent name to that element. Okay, so what is a temporary element? એટલે કે જે temporary element તમે જે નામ આપો છો એ મેથડ કઈ છે? એ મેથડ શીખવાની છે. But remember one thing, that name is given for what? For given more than 100 atomic number element. એટલે કે generated number more than 100 હશે એમના માટે. It means 101, that is the atomic number of element. એટલે આપણે કોના માટે ડિસાઈડ કરશું? element 101, then 102, then 103, then 104, then 105, then 106, then 107, then 108, then 109, 110, then after 111, 12, till what? Till 18, 118. Because at that time 118 elements are known. Okay, so we have to get the name all the elements. Okay, but it is a temporary, it is not a permanent. Okay, sure. So what is the method? If first of all, if number is 0, if digit is 0, okay, then you have to write nil. Name is given as a nil. Is it clear? If what? 0 is there, then name is given as what? Is given as a nil. Okay, and short form is given as, and the short form that is name. Name is given as nil, and that is symbol. You can write symbol. That is nothing. Symbol is n, small n. Okay, that is a small n. Okay, any doubt? If 0 is present over there, then you have to write nil, n in a small. Then if 1 is there, then you have to write u and n. Okay, and symbol is first, that is u. Understood? That is u. Chalo, second one. That is known as a by. Fine, that is known as a by. But you have to write like in a small letters, that is bi. This is symbol as b. That is named. So 0 is named as a nil, 1 is named as an, 2 is named as a by, and 3 is named as a try. 3 is named as again small, sorry, not a capital. Write it like try, T-R-I, try. Then symbol is a T. Then 4 is known as a quad, Q-U-A-D, and Q is the symbol. Is it clear? Then 5 is known as a pen. Pen means P. Then 6 is named as a hex. You can write X. The symbol is H. Are you getting me? So first is named as nil, second one is named as a un, third one is named as a try, fourth one is named as a quad, pen. Then seventh is named as a sept. Seventh is named as sept. Sept means S. Okay. Then 8 is named as oct. Oct means symbol is O. Okay. And 9 is named as in. E double N. Are you getting me? And 9 is named as a in. And the symbol is E. Okay. Understood? If 0 is there, then you have to use what? Nil. If 1 is there, then un. 2 is there, then by. 3 is there, then try. 4 is there, then it is named as quad. 5th is there, then it is named as a pen. If 6 is there, then hex. 7th is there, then sept. 8 is there, then oct. And 9 is there, then in. Is it clear? And they are the symbol of that elements. It means that number. Okay. And at last, you have to use IUM. Are you getting me? You have to use what? IUM. That is very simple thing. Okay, so from the beginning, 101. Here it is the first one, 101. If you want to give a name to 101, so 3 digits are 1, 0 and 1. Okay? So 1 is what? What is our name for 1? U and un. So note it like U and un. First is capital now. Here. Un. Okay? What is plus? Plus. What is 0? What is 0? 0 means nil. So you have to write like nil. Plus. What is 1? Again, 1 means U and un. Plus what you have to use? IUN. Is it clear? So that is the name. What is the name finally? UN, un, nil. Are you getting me? First of all, see, look at that name. Un plus nil plus un. So un plus nil plus un. So nil plus un. So UN and IUN. So that is the name. Is it clear? That is a temporary name of 101. And what is the symbol? And what is the symbol that you can use for that element? What is the symbol you can use for that element? First one, symbol is like, and symbol is like UN, it means U. Then nil means N, so N. And 1 means un, so un. So U and U is a symbol. What is the symbol? U and U is a symbol. Any doubt? No. So that is the first name. Acha, second. Go for a second. What is it? 102. Second one is 102. Now going to note it. They are going to note it. 1, 0, 1, 0 and 2. Is it clear? What is the name of 1? Like un. So first of all un. UN. Plus 0 means nil. So nil. What is second one? That is plus by. Bi. By. Plus. What is present over there? IUN. IUN is over there. Okay. So what is name? UN, un, nil, by, UN. Is it clear? By, I-U-N. You have to use like that because by is already there. So I is I-U-N. Understood? That is very simple. Okay, what is the symbol for that? U. Fine. First having a symbol. One having a symbol what? U. Zero having a symbol what? M. So here it is a M. Two having a symbol what? B. So U and B. That is the symbol of that. Is it okay? So now we are going to note it properly. So 2 having a name of what? 2 having a name what? 1, 0, 2. Okay? UN, un, then nil, then by, UN. Is it clear? And what is the symbol over there? U and B. What is the symbol over here? U and U. UN. Is it okay? Sure. Next one is the third one. Third one 103. So 1, 0 and 3. Here's the symbol of that 1, 0 and 3. 1 means what? 1 means un again. UN. Un. 0 means what? 0 means nil, na? Nil. So you have to write nil. That is the name of element. Name of elements. And that is the temporary name. Un. Then nil. Then 3 means what? 3 means what? It is try. And IUN. So UN. And that is nothing. Are you getting me there? Un. 0 means nil. 3 means try. So try here. And what is the symbol? U, N. And try having a symbol T. So U and T is a symbol. Note it again. Chalo fast note it. Okay? Chalo 1, 0 and 4. 1, fourth one. 1, 0 and 4. Okay? So 1 means what? 1 means again un. 1 means un. 0 means what? It is a nil. Un, then nil. Okay, na? Nil. 0 means nil, so nil. Plus 4. 4 means what? 12. So Q, U, A, D. And last one, IUN. So here it is IUN. Is it clear? What is the symbol? U. Then nil means N. U. Nil and Q. U and Q. Is it okay? So 104. What about the 105? 1 means what? 1, 0 and 5. What is 1 stands for? See, 1 means un. So it is a un. 0 means nil. So it is a nil. 5 means what? 5 means pen. So it is a pen. And last one is IUN. So named as symbol. What is the symbol? 1 having a symbol U. 0 having a symbol nil. 5 having a symbol P. So P. Okay. 106. What about 106? 1, 0, 6. Okay. 1 means what? Again 1 means un. So un. 0 means nil. So here it is a nil. What is 6? 6 means hex. So it is a hex. And what? IUN. Is it okay? So un means U, N means 0, and 6 means hex. That is the symbol of that element. 107. Move towards 107. 1, 0, 7. So 1 means what? Un. 0 means nil. 7 means set. And IUN. So it is what is the symbol? 1 means U. 0 means nil means N. 7 means S. Okay? 108. 108. 1, 0 and 8. Okay? 1 means what? Un. 0 means what? Nil. 8 means what? Oct. So op. And last one is IUN. What is the symbol? 1 means U, 0 means N, 8 having the symbol what? O, UNO. Is it okay? So UNO. Last one. 109. Last two. 1, 0 and 9. What is the symbol for that? 1 means U and un. 0 means again nil. 9 means what? ENN in IUN. Okay? Chalo. Next is what? Symbol. What is the symbol of that? 1 means UN. 0 means N. And 9 means E. So that is symbol. And what about the 110? 110. Okay? 1 means UN. Un. Again 1 means un. Again 1 means UN. Then 0 means nil. Okay? And IUN. So here it is IUN. So that is UN. UN. Okay, not a UN. UU. UU. 0 means what? 0. N. Is it clear? So that is the symbol. Any doubt? No. Chalo. Note it fast. Fine. Note it fast. Do it. Complete it. That is the element. That you have to remember. Nil, un, bi, char, quad, pen, hex, set, op, and then in. Then you have to use it. Like that is it. And that is a symbol. So you have to make a symbol. First letter of that element. Okay? So 110 we have completed. Next we move towards the 111. Then 12, 118. Chalo. Next is uh, 11, 1, 1, 1, 12, 1, 1, 2, 13, 1, 1, 3, 14, 1, 1, 4, 15, 1, 1, 5, 16, 1, 1, 7, 18, 1, 1, 8. Oh, completed. Done? Sure. Now, use the symbol. First one, 1, 1 and 1. Okay? So named as 1 means what? Huh? So here it is a un. Again un. Again un. Again un. Again un. And IUN. What is the symbol of that? U. U is there na? U. Okay? 1, 1, 1 means U. That is the symbol. Okay. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. What is the 1? 1 means un. So here it is a un. What is again 1? So here it is a un. Then what is 2? 2 means by. UM. So that is what is the symbol? 1 means U. Again 1 means U. Okay na? U. 2 means B. UUB. What is 113? 1, 1, 3. So 1 stands for again on. Again on. 3 means try. So it is a try. U. M. What is the symbol? On means U. Again U. N. T means try. So it is a T. UUT. Okay? What about 114? 1, 1, 4. Chalo, 114 means on. 4 means QUAD. And IUN. What is the symbol for that? U means U. Then 1 means again U. And 4 means Q. UUQ. What is 115? 1, 1, Okay, chalo. So 1 means again on, 1 means on, 5 means pen and IUM. Okay, so that will symbolize as U, then U, and 5 means P pen. Okay, chalo. 1 1 7, 1 1 and 7. Okay, chalo. 1 means again on, then again on, then again 7 means is set. Okay, and IUM, don't forget about the IUM. What is the symbol of that? 1 means U, U and X. 1 1 8 element. Okay, 1 1 8. Okay, 1 means what? On, again on, 8 means what? It is a O, and IUM. Okay, so that is symbolized as what? Symbolized as what? UO. So that is completed. Okay, so that is a processor of what? To give the name which having a more than atomic number 100, and that is a temporary, that is not a permanent. Is it clear? So now we have completed that procedure. Next topic is a features of periodic table, or you can say characteristics of periodic table, that we are going to start first. Note it. So next topic is what? Features of a log form of periodic table, or you can say our periodic table. આપણું જે periodic table છે એને થોડા features જોવાના છે. What is the characteristics behind the periodic table? Okay, PT means periodic table. You know that periods. What is period? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So total periods are 7, ne? So total number of periods are present. The first note about the period is number of periods are what? Number of periods are, total what number of periods? 7 periods are there. 1 2 3 5. That is horizontal, na? That is hydrogen, helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen. Then horizontal rows, na? That is named as a period. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the first period. So period number 1. Period number 1. Okay, period number 1. Period number 1, which having, you can see that in period number 1, that is period number 1. In period number 1, only 2 elements are present. The first one is hydrogen and second one is a helium. You can see that. So 2 elements are present. Which elements are present? Only 2 elements are present. Only 2 elements. Which one? Only 2 elements. Which one? The first one is hydrogen and second one is a helium. એનો મતલબ એવો થશે કે ફર્સ્ટ પીરિયડમાં બે જ એલિમેન્ટ પ્રેઝન્ટ છે, હાઇડ્રોજન અને હિલિયમ. And you can find it out also. See, first period number first represent what? Period number first represent n is equals to what? Period number first represent what? N is equals to what? N means what? N means nothing, that is a shell, or you can say energy level, or you can say what? Energy level, or you can say orbit. All answer. Orbit, you can say shell, you can say energy level, whole things are said. Shell, energy level and orbit. Okay, so first number orbit, that is first number orbit. Okay, first number orbit means nothing, that is n is equals to 1. That first number orbit. First number orbit having a what number of orbitals? You know that n is equals to 1 having a only one orbital. Now you know that we discussed much more about that in a previous lecture. Okay, so n is equals to 1 means what? That is shell, and that contains what number of orbital? Number of orbitals. I am talking about number of orbitals. Okay, what number of orbitals? Only one. And what is it? 1s. Only which orbital is present? 1s. Okay, so you know that now 1s can accommodate what number of electron? 2 electron maximum. 2 electron can accommodate. That is why 2 elements are present. Finally, the number of electrons will give you the number of elements, or you can say number of orbital. That is the number of orbital. Fine. 1 is the number of orbital and that is 1s. So number of orbital twice of the number of orbital will gives you the number of elements. I am going to note that thing. Twice of orbitals. Twice of orbitals will give what? Number of elements. Is it simple? So we can see that in n is equals to 1, only one orbital is present. Which orbital? 1s orbital. So here it is 1s orbital. So 1s orbital is present. That is why it having got 2 elements. Are you getting me? Number of orbital. Decide the number of orbital. That will give you the number of element. How? Twice the number of what? Orbital will give you the elements. Is it okay? One orbital is present. That is why 2 elements are present. Okay? Chalo. Which elements are? Hydrogen and helium. Is it clear? Chalo. Second period. Period number 2. Period number 2. Okay? Period number 2 can accommodate what number of elements? Now we don't know. That is period number 2. 1 is completed. Chalo. 1 is completed. Okay. Now move towards period number 2. That is period number 2. Fine. You have to find it out what number of element it can accommodate. So first of all find it out. N is equals to 2. N is equals to 2. That shell will fulfill. Okay. That shell will fulfill. What number of orbitals? What number of orbitals are there? What number of orbitals are there? That we don't know. But which orbitals are present, we can find it out now. If n is equals to 2, then use that formula. If n is equals to 2, then 2 means what? 1 and 0 and 1. So total number of orbitals are 2s and 2p. That is a subshell. 2s and 2p are subshell. 2s having a what number of orbital? 1 orbital. Is it clear? And 2p having a what orbital? 2p having a 3 orbital. Then total 3 orbitals are there. Which one? You remember that now? P means 1. So plus 1, 0 and minus 1. And S means 0. So only 0. So only 1 orbital. So total number of orbital will be 4. Why? 2s and 2p are there. In n is equals to 2. You can remember that. That is a 1. That is a 2. N is equals to 1. N is equals to 2. N is equals to 1 having a 1 orbital. 1s. Then n is equals to 2 having a 2s and 2p. N is equals to 3 having a 3s, 3p and 3d. You can remember that now? Simple is that. Okay? Chalo. So, what number of orbitals are there? 4 orbitals. Is it clear? So, element will be 8. Number of orbitals are 4. Number of orbitals are 4. So, twice the of that 8 elements are present. 8 elements are present. Is it clear? 8 elements are present. And see, count it. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Is it okay? So elements, which elements are present? From lithium. From lithium to neon. Lithium to neon. Is it clear? So there are 8 elements. So that is the characteristics. What you have to find it out? First of all, find it out the number of orbitals. First of all, find it out the number of orbitals. According to that, like n is equals to 2. So n is equals to 2 having a 2 orbital. Which one? 2s and 2p. If you move towards 3, then what number of orbitals are there? 3s, 3p and 3d. Then 4 having a what number of orbitals? 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f. That is the subshell I am talking about. So you can calculate the number of orbitals. Okay, and you can find it out. One more example. Chalo, for period number 3. Period number 3. Next is period number 3. Chalo. Period number 3 having a period number 3 is means n is equals to 3 or no? Yes. So n is equals to 3 having a 3 orbital, 3s. Then 3p and then 3d. Are you getting me? 3s, 3p and 3d are present. But remember one thing over here. But energy of 3d is high than 4s. You remember that 4s. Okay, 3d અને 4s માંથી 3d એનર્જી 4s કરતા બહુ હાઈ છે, એટલા માટે તમને યાદ હોય તો આપણે ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક કન્ફિગ્યુરેશન લખતા હતા, એમાં હું આમ લખતો હતો 1s 2s 2p 3s 3p and then 4s and then 3d. પહેલા આપણે 4s માં ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ફિલ અપ કરતા હતા, પછી કેમાં સ્વિચ કરતા હતા 3d માં. that is exceptional, અને exceptional તો ન કહી શકાય, that is order according to Aufbau. but આપણે એ લર્ન કરશું in atomic structure. so you have to just now remember the energy of 3d orbital is higher than 4s. that is why 3d is not considered over here. so only two orbitals are present. so only two orbitals, two subshell. which one? 3s and 3p. again 3s having a one orbital plus 3p having a three orbital, so total four orbitals are there. total four orbitals are there. okay, so number of elements are 8 elements are present. what number of elements? 8 elements. which are the elements? from sodium to argon. see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. from sodium to to argon. is it clear? understood? now in the next period number 4, that we will discuss in the next lecture. okay, thank you.